Hello everyone, welcome to Omega Reports. Today we're going to learn how to change our data source. Now, you may be wanting to use Omega Reports on multiple computers, which is great, but obviously you want to be able to view, edit, add, and delete on all of the same information. Each computer should have access to the same data source, correct? Well, of course they should. Well, to set up this information and to set up the data source, it's very simple. It just takes a few simple steps and you'll be ready to go. All you need to do is close Omega Reports. Once you close Omega Reports, you go to My Computer from the Start menu. Once you've gone to My Computer, you need to go to the installation location of Omega Reports. Now typically, this is the C drive, then Program Files, and then we scroll down, we go to Omega Reports. Once we're in Omega Reports, we double click on the second Omega Reports, and we're looking for the file that says Omega_backend. Now once we found that file, we right click on it, we copy it, and now we go over to wherever our server is or wherever we want this shared file. Now this must be a location that all of the other computers have access to. So preferably it would be a folder on a shared network server. So in this instance, what we're going to do is we're just going to set up a folder under My Documents that's going to hold all of this information. So we'll go here. I always recommend creating a specific Omega Reports folder. So once you've created your Omega Reports folder, you go inside it, you paste that Omega_backend file, and once you've pasted it, you've now transferred the main source of data to your network drive. Now there's one last step, and this step must be performed on each computer that's going to access the data. It's very simple. All you have to do is log back into Omega Reports. Once you're back in Omega Reports, you click on the left-hand side, you click Utilities, then you go to Change Data Source, click OK to select your new path. You go to your shared network drive. Once you go to the shared network drive and to the specific folder that you're wanting to use, you find Omega_backend. Click on the file, click Open. It reconnects. You get the message here that everything was reconnected. You click OK, and now you're ready to go. That's all there is to it. Now those last steps, from utilities to the change data source, those are the steps that must be performed on every computer in the office that's going to be using this new data file. All you're doing is you're letting the Omega Reports front end know where the back end is located. You're just connecting those two different files. Other than that, that's all there is to it. As you can see, it's very simple. If you have any other questions about any other features or options within Omega Reports, please feel free to look at our other videos. We've tried to compile a very extensive list of tutorials and instructional videos to better educate you on how to use Omega Reports. Otherwise, just keep on using Omega Reports, where we always keep it simple.